Right, nice clear morning. What should we talk about this morning? Milkman. Rock and roll float. Look at that, it's fucking cold. There's no way that out heaters, right? No way. They like all lights be like this. It needs a smart lights as well, but it should be people crossing there. And lights like that make everything so much easier. If there were a normal set of traffic lights, I'd still be there. So much simpler. Such a better flow to traffic. Oh, here comes a nugget right up my ass. Fucking idiot. Fucking tosser. Tosser! Harvey Brussels. Fucking idiot. See, look, this is what I mean. So they're green on either side. Nobody was there. I don't think this day and age it would be a difficult thing to upgrade. I don't think the whole country would come to a standstill. So there's no reason why that can't go green to turn right. Anybody there? What's the fucking point of that? I hate it. These are worse. These lights here are brand new. Why didn't they put smart ones in?